Hi there, and welcome to Tony's Garage. In this clip, I would like to present one of the most beautiful cars to race at the famous race from Sarthe. So this is my review of the Aston Martin DBR1/300, that won the 1959 edition of the 24 Hours of Le Mans. And as Carroll Shelby, one of the drivers of this car in 1959, said, the DBR1 was slower on the straight than the Ferrari, but always superior in its handling, and superior to even the D-Type on the really kinky bits of the course, and you felt safe in the car. You always wanted to drive the Aston. The model car looks good, especially in this British racing green. The interior, even if it is not a premium one, it is more than decent for a $25 model, and I can say that I really like the wood steering wheel and the passenger seat cover for better aerodynamics. Have a great weekend and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.